I'm going to be showing you how to install Sui on Ubuntu. So I'm in the documentation. I'll share the link to you on the description. The documentation can be confusing for some of you, so I have brought out a straightforward guide on how to install Sui on Ubuntu. So first of all, you have to open your terminal, copy this first command, sudo apt get update. Okay, the first command is done, so I'm going to copy the first command. That's I'm going to install some required dependencies. They are very important for us to install Sui. So I'm going to copy the second command and paste it on terminal. So I'm going to pause the video. So when these are done installing, I'm going to resume. Okay. So the second, we are done with the second command. So we are going to install Rust. So if you have Rust on your system, you can just update it by copying this command rust up update table. Or if you don't have it, you can just copy this command and put it on your terminal to install Rust. I'm going to pause the video. So when it's done installing, I'll resume. Okay, while installing Rust, you're going to come up. These instructions are going to pop up, and just click on enter to continue. Just continue with default installation. Click enter. Okay, so we're done installing Rust. We're going to run the next command, which is cargo install sui. So first of all, let's copy the command. This command. So we're going to copy it and paste it on our terminal. So I already have Sui installed on my system. That's why it did not take so much time. So it might take a longer time for you. So to check if Sui is installed on your system, you're just going to copy the next command, which is sui underscore underscore version. So that's it. I have Sui installed on my PC. So the next thing you're going to install is the sui-move-analyzer. We're going to set it up. So first of all, for you to install the sui-move-analyzer, you're going to first of all download the binary for Ubuntu. So the link is on the GitHub repo. Just click on this page. It's going to take you to the direct download link to download the binary. So this is it. Just click on save. Then after you downloaded it, you have to rename the file to sui-move-analyzer. So you can just come to your file and locate it at the download. So I have mine on my download. So okay, sorry, it's not there. It's not done downloading. When it's finished downloading, yeah, so it's done downloading. I can just locate it on my downloads, and I can just click on rename. I'll have to copy. I say you need it to sui-move-analyzer, so I have to copy it from here. Come back here and rename it to sui-move-analyzer. So I'm going to paste. and this is sui-move-analyzer. So after that, we have to add to parts. We have to add it to parts. So what you can do, your downloads here, you can just right click and open the terminal from here. They're going to copy these commands here to add it to parts. You need to paste it and input your password. Okay, so we've already added it to parts. The next thing we're going to do, okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to grant permission. So we're going to open our terminal and paste the command. Then to check if sui-move-analyzer is installed, we're going to copy this command and paste in our terminal to check the version. So if you look at it, sui-move-analyzer is already installed on my system. It's already we've added it to parts. So after that, you're going to need the code editor to write your sui-move smart contract. So we're going to go for VSCode. You can just come to your app store or go to your app center and search for VSCode. That's the easiest way to install your VSCode. So you can just come and search for code. So this is it. I already have it installed on my PC. That's the best way to install it. Or you can just click on this link to download it and run this command. Or installing VS Code shouldn't be a problem for you. So after you finish installing VS Code, there are some extensions you have to install for it to be able to simultaneously use to write move code, sui-move code. So first of all, we are going to install this sui-move-analyzer extension. So I can just copy it and come to my extensions tab and I can just paste this sui-move-analyzer. And yeah, this is the first one. We're going to install it. I already have it installed on my PC, so you have to install that. The next extension we're going to install is even better tummy. We need to be able to read our tummy files. So later on you understand why we're installing it. You can come here and sorry, let me copy it again and paste it. So this is the first option, even better tummy. So I already have it installed. The next extension we're going to be needing is the move extension by Misting Labs. So we can just come here, copy and paste it and to look for it. So this is the first one. I already have it installed. So the next extension we're going to be needing is move syntax by so we have to come and search for it. This is move syntax. So I already have it installed. So these are the extensions you need for it to write smart contract in sui-move simultaneously. So if you carefully follow this instruction, you should be able to install sui-move and also sui-move-analyzer on your system. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to start up a new sui-move smart contracts package.